And we are being told that you have gone back to give the learners notes and mid-term and end-of-term exams and end-of-year. Please, exams are not an issue in what we are talking about in the new curriculum. The new curriculum also emphasizes that the children should have the competencies. It's not about assessment or exams. And we are running away from an examination-driven curriculum to a curriculum that is driving the teaching and learning and properly and having the children hands-on and showing you that when your child is saying, I've done this topic in chemistry, you see practically that the child is doing it. And all those others that we've been going through in the training. And I want to also say that this is not the end. The training is going to be continuous even for the next 10 years so that we can get it right, we can provide it rightly, and we can be proud together. The power of technology, we cannot underrate it. And we know that we will push it even from the training of teachers, but from also teachers making sure you have a gadget, you have a laptop or something like the way you would always want to have a pen as a teacher. Let's begin to think of what technology.
We got information that everything would be well. And I want to thank him because we coordinated and started from scratch.